Hello everyone, welcome back to the series Inventing Stuff using Ardino Uno in Tinker CAD. So here we are going to start the day 4 of this series. So this series is by Sanyog Arora. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and set the bell icon to all. I upload many videos and you can learn Python coding, Kojo coding, that is a Scala based software. You can learn electronics and circuit designing, and on that I have also started a series that and this is the day 4 of that. And you can also learn app designing using MIT App Inventor too. So it's a very useful channel. You can learn many things about artificial intelligence and machine learning. So please subscribe to my channel. And now let's start with the day 4 of the series Inventing Stuff with Ardino Uno in Tinker CAD by Sanyog Arora. So let's open our Tinker CAD. First I will write Tinker CAD. Then I will go to the first website, and then I will go to circuits, and I will click on create new circuits. So our today's syllabus first topic is learning about the serial monitor. So if I take out this Arduino and I go to text here, now you can see the serial monitor. It is a very useful thing. If you use sensors now and we want to print the values, if you want to get that what value it is giving, then the serial monitor can print that. But here we can see the values, but in real we need to connect a laptop or a device that can make the values visible. So Arduino should be connected to that. So to prevent that, we will also learn about LEDs. Uh, Wait, I will show you that. These are LCDs. So, but we will not learn that today. So let's first learn about serial monitor. So for printing the value in serial monitor, first we need a sensor. So let's make the circuit of the photoresistor. It's a sensor. I told you in the part 2 of day 3 also that how can you make. I am again making it quickly. You can just follow the steps. In the terminal 2 we will connect a resistor and we will connect it to the negative part, and the terminal 1 will be connected to the positive part. Then from the terminal 2, before adding a resistor, first we have to take a wire and connect to the analog pin. You can connect to any analog pin. Okay, so our circuit is done. Now what we will do is we will take the ground and we will connect it here with the negative sign of breadboard to provide the electric current to photoresistor like this, and then we will do it red. Okay, and please make sure that you make the circuit neat and clean, and you also note down the important points that I tell you. It will really help you in the future. Now let's start with the coding part. We will not connect any LED or a basic component because we only need to print the value and learn about serial monitor. First is defining. We will define int LDR is equals to, so it's connected to analog pin, so we will write A1. Then second is our void setup. So let's do it. Void setup. So our pin mode will be, as it's a sensor, so it will be input. Then comes our void loop. So now I told you that first now we will have to make a empty variable. So you can make a variable at the top also, or you can make a local variable inside the void loop like this. So both will work. Okay, now I can as I have defined it at the top, so I can use it here also. So I will write value is equals to, now what I will write is analog read. So that Arduino will read the analog pin, and I will write LDR. So I have here given the name of analog pin and variable I have given. So it will read this variable. It will just check the code and it will check that this variable is connected to this component is connected to which pin. Then it will read it. Now if I start the simulation, then there are values. Values are still there, but see, we are not able to see it. So in order to see this, we have to start the serial monitor. So for starting the serial monitor, we write capital S serial, then dot in small begin, and then in brackets we write 9600. So it's not necessary to write 9600. This is the speed of the execution of values, the printing of values. So basically this is the standard speed, and most of the component, most of the circuit, this is only used. So we will also be using this only. Okay, else it can be changed, that doesn't affect so much, but yes, it will affect the speed, it will not affect the working world. So now what we have to write, I told you if else, so we will write if serial dot available. If serial dot available, then now again we will make an empty variable, like I made analog key, so sorry, int key. Then we will write key is equal to, oh wait, yeah, this we will not write, we will write value is equal to analog read. Now we will write a special command, that is serial dot print, and then we will write value. So now there comes a point that why we write value like this only. We can write it by one more way, like this we can write in single inverted commas. Yes, we can write. We can also write in double inverted commas. Yes, we can also write. But what is the difference between this? So let's understand that. So first I wrote value like this. Now what it will do? Value is containing the LDR values, the resistance value of LDR it is containing. So when I write it without any commas, it print the value in the serial monitor. Now, now when I write it like this, now this will not work. Why? Because this stands for a char, that is a character. Character is only a single thing, but it seeds of 5 characters, so this will not work. Okay, so we can't apply this thing. Now third and the last is this. Now if I write it in double inverted commas, then it becomes a string. What is string? String is a set of characters. So there are many characters, so it becomes a set of characters. So then it is called a string. So I hope you have understood this. To make you understand better than this, I will now print the thing in 3 of the formats. So first, let's print this in without any commas. See, it's printing the value. So now you must be wondering that it's not clear. Someone may understand that it's a huge value and a single thing. So to prevent that, there is one more command. You can clear this first by this clear button. You can write print ln. Ln means a new line. So it will take a new line for every time. See, now it's more clear. From here, scale this scale you can increase and decrease the value and check it that whether it is fine or not. Okay, so it's printing the value in this. Now let's try with single inverted commas. See, now what's happening? It's not proper. So means the output that we want will not work with a single comma. So now let's try it with double inverted commas and make it a string. See it printing as it is. So this is the difference. So I hope you have understood it properly. Okay, so this was the part 1 of day 4. We have learnt about the serial monitor. In the second part, we will be learning about this motor. That is a that is a micro servo motor. This motor is also very easy to understand, so please watch the part 4 and subscribe to my channel if not done. Thank you.